How to draw a bow, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing our bow today, we're going to begin by drawing the center by making a shape that looks similar to a curvy square. Next, on the top right and left hand corner of the shape that we just made, we're going to want to draw shapes that look similar to ovals. Nice! Now connected to each of those shapes that we just drew, we're now going to draw the sides of our bow. Let's begin on the right hand side. And let's do the exact same thing on the left hand side as well. Now we're going to want to draw the two pieces that will be drooping down from the bottom of our bow. Let's go ahead and begin right here, and then we're going to do the same thing on the right hand side as well. Now last but not least, we're going to add detail to the inside of our bow by using small curved lines. This is how to draw a bow. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like and subscribe because we upload on a regular basis. Next, I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in. Great job today and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.